State of Illinois just decided recently to switch from taking the SAT during school hours and requiring that one to moving to the ACT test. This might be something that your school district is doing, or maybe not. I know in my school district, we always did the SAT. I was a school counselor for years. We never did the ACT during the day. But for those of you who want to know the main difference, let's go over a few of them. So I've been reading this article trying to understand the main differences after the new SAT came out, because now that the new SAT came out, it's actually shorter than the ACT. So the SAT is broken down into two sections. There's a 64-minute reading and a writing section, and then a 70-minute math section, while the ACT is 2 hours and 55 minutes with a 40-minute optional writing test that could stretch into more time. So in general, they say that the SAT gives you much more time but per question, but the ACT questions, they may be easier. So might be a catch-22. They said they also tried to make the SAT questions multiple for one reading passage, so the time is spent just a little more wisely, as you can read a full passage and then answer multiple questions. But it really says over here, if you're not as strong of a reader or you're less focused, the SAT might be better for you. But yeah, like I mentioned earlier, the hard thing is that the average question on the ACT is easier. You just get much less time. So if you are anxious or panicking about it, then maybe go with the SAT so you have a little bit more time. The science section is kind of more of an applied reading section. So even though it's science for ACT, it's still going to take a lot of reading to find the evidence in the passage. So even though it's science, it's still really heavily leaning toward reading based. So which one are you going to take? Are you going to take the ACT or the SAT?